Okay, hello everyone who's watching this video. My name is James. I'm from Liberia. I came for the knee surgery, as you can see. When I was in Liberia, I sent my quotation to my best friend Sanchez and moving, which I didn't know how it was going to be like. I sent it to them and they sent me the proof of my invoice along with my X-ray result. And then when I sent it to them, they helped me out. They told me the cause of it, and after sending it to them, I came to India, New Delhi, and they helped me out. They were very, very good to me in the process, and the surgery went on successfully. As you can see, I'm very, very happy to be in India, and my surgery is okay. I was only told by the doctor that I got less than 2 to 3 months. I will be fine, and very, very fine. And this surgery is very, very tedious, but by the grace of God and the help of Sasha and moving, it went on smoothly. And as you can see, I was surprised to be in a room where it's a private room, a very, very private room. As you can see, and through the help of Sasha and moving, I was in this room. Everything I needed, I received it. Everything I needed, I received it. I'm grateful to the both of them. And I can show you, whenever you have such a problem, don't hesitate to contact them. They will be at your service. The best service, they will give you it. The very, very best service.
James, would you like to add something about how it went about your procedure when you were in Liberia? So how our Sachin helped you?
Okay, when I was in Liberia, but then I had not known him anywhere here. I had never met, but we've been chatting on WhatsApp. And then he told me, when I explained my situation to him, he told me to send him my medical reports. Based on my medical report, I sent him my medical reports, and he sent me a proof of my invoice as to how much the surgery going to cost me. And based on that, I was able to gather the money, because to gather that money wasn't an easy thing, but by the grace of God, and I did it also by the help of him as well. I was able to gather the money, and I came for the surgery, and I was received warmly on the airport by he and Ruben. And as God will have it, I came to the hospital and I was successful in it.
So would you like to add some points about you were having a dilemma about the hotel and accommodation and transportation, how you will manage, and how our executives
I was because it was one of my challenge. That was one of my challenge when it comes to the accommodation, like the hotel. But when I asked him this question, he took me to a hotel that was very, very affordable for me, and the service was very, very great, and which I really, really appreciated him for that. It was very, very great.
Okay, one more question I would like to add it. Is there was any trouble in the appointments in the hospital during your appointments with doctors?
No, I never had any trouble. I never had. Everything was a finger. It was like the tip of a finger. Everything was a tip of a finger. I never had any trouble. I was like pimples in the whole process. When I mean pimples, I was like, it just happened. I can't say how it happened, but it just happened. Process I was to take me 2 to 3 days. It was just the tip of a finger. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. James. That the testimony which you have given us will appreciate us to do more better services, and hope this video will help the other Liberian patients to come India and to find the best treatment facilities in India, and hope they will get their best health.
I will definitely, I pray and hope so. And I can assure you that when I go back Liberia in my home, I will be like looking for people who have this social condition and get them connected to session and movement. I can assure you guys that it will happen.
Thank you so much, Mr. James. We wish you best of luck. We wish you get well as soon as possible. Thank you.
And thank you guys for the service. I really, really appreciate it. I really, really appreciate it. I'm like I don't want to go back, but I have to go back. Yeah.
And this is a sign of Namaste India.
Yeah, Namaste. Thank you very much.